The Ministry of Health is investigating the deaths of at least 4 children who tested positive for COVID-19 after they died. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, during the daily COVID-19 update on Wednesday, revealed that some of the children died before they got to the hospital.
In the last couple of days, we would have seen the 4 deaths of children. And this is something that we will do some further investigation on, because of the 4, 3 of these children arrived at the hospital. They were dead before arrival to the hospital, so they didn't die in the hospital. When the mother was interviewed, in some cases, we would have heard that the child was irritable the night before, had some fever, and by the next morning had difficulty breathing. And when on arrival at the hospital, when they did antigen tests, a swab, they found that the child was positive. So there are cases like this, so that's why we have to investigate them.
So far, 15 children are reported to have died from COVID-19 since the pandemic began.
Of them with comorbidities, and we continue to monitor and trying to decipher what is causing the deaths. For some of those children that would have been hospitalized, we know for sure some of the comorbidities that they've had and the challenges, because some of them, the prognosis was poor with the underlying disease, and then they got COVID, so that compounded or complicated the problem.
Dr. Anthony said there is a small committee of doctors within the ministry who are going to review the charts thoroughly and conduct interviews with the family of these children to better understand what happened.